YouTube. Good morning, fellas. Roach's Mgtow here, and I'm rolling. I'm on my way to get my tires. I just called the place that we have the account with, and they said they have the tires that I need and that I can bring it right over. So I shot out a text to the lead or head mechanic, pause, no homo, and he said, no problem, your credit is good with us, go ahead and get it done and we'll bill you for it later. So that's a beautiful thing to hear, because I'm sure they're gonna run me about $4,000, but hey, you can't beat good tires, especially when it get ready to, the weather starts changing, and we get into the rainy season, and we get into the the winter. So you need good tires. Can't even play around with it. So I didn't stress these out for at least, I try to get 2 years out of my tires if possible, but you don't want to go too long and then get a blowout on the road. In order for some tire service to come and fix, come and bring your tire and fix your tire, they charge like $1,000 just for one. And that's the tire. The tire might be around $300 or $400, but then the other $600 is for the labor and the service call fee. So you get one tire to blow out, that's $1,000. So it's better for you to go ahead and just change out all of your rear tires or your drive tires. It's going to run me $4,000 or whatever, but the one blow is $1,000, and I still need to get tires. So it's better to just be proactive. In other words, that's the moral of the story. Just be proactive when you guys do come into the industry, because it's going to save you a lot of heartache. Because I used to think, I'm going to just try to stretch it. And maybe about 3 years ago, I was doing that, and I looked and saw a tire was looking kind of funny. I'm like, it's going to be all good. And sure enough, before I end up getting to my destination, I had a blowout on the road. And I was near New Jersey. And I had to get somebody to come out from that area. They replaced that tire. It cost me $1,100. You talking about a ninja was mad, boy. I was doing all kind of kung fu with my language. I was using every kung fu word it is in the dictionary. I was upset because I knew I should have went on and took care of that. Because for that price, I could have pretty much got 3 tires, or close to at least 2. If I had did the preventative thing, I never should have let it go. So I've learned my lesson, and these tires are pretty bad now. So let me just go on and switch them out. A couple of them are pretty old, they so-so. Forget it, just switch them out. I ain't got time to be playing around. I run too hard to be breaking down on the road. I called a mechanic to look off into the AC today. He said it's a 50-50 chance that he's going to be able to get me in. So the minute I get these tires done, I'm going to run over the safe light and just let them slap a windshield in. I'm sure they're going to charge me about $500, but it is what it is. I ain't got time to be looking around. I might call a couple places if they're close by, if they can give me something a little cheaper. But to me, $50-$60 that's about all it's going to do, maybe as far as the savings wise, but we'll see. If I can save $50, I'll do it, because if I saw $50 laying on the ground, you best believe I'll break your hand trying to get it. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm up early. I didn't take the Black Beauty to drop it off, because when I called over, they told me to come right now. They could get me right now, so that blew that chance. But I'm thinking, since I'll probably get done early, with stuff today, so I have plenty of time to take the Black Beauty to go get an oil change. And then the places stay open a lot later on weekdays. I think they close around 6 or 7, so I got at least to the end. And I also told him to take me off the schedule for tomorrow, so if nothing else, I could always get it done tomorrow morning. So that's the plan. So to get these tires done, run over to Safe Light, get the windshield replaced, call the mechanic, see if he can squeeze me in. If I beg him, maybe he'll squeeze me in. I'll offer to buy him lunch or something. And if I could get that done, great. If not, then maybe I could convince him to let me bring it back in the morning, super early, and they go ahead and knock it out. That would be great. If not, then I'll just bring the truck back to the yard, park it, go get in the Black Beauty, and go get that oil change, and then come back, and then go to the gym and hit the gym real hard. Washed my clothes yesterday, but I really didn't see anything interesting to talk about, so maybe I'll find something interesting when I get over here to the tire shop, since I gotta wait. Probably gonna take them about, what, an hour and a half to put these on, 2 hours maybe, if that. Just depends on how many people they have working on it. But I just wanted to bring y'all a little bit, let y'all know where I'm at, what I'm doing. I'm out here in the south suburbs, gonna get it done, and I'm gonna try to bring you all something else a little later. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here, and then I'll turn it back on a little bit later. Peace until then. All right, guys, I'm over here at the tire shop, and I'm waiting for them to offload this truck. But I just want y'all to see the damage I've been putting on these bad boys. But these are Goodyear. Goodyear is not really a good tire in my estimation. I like the Michelin better. I had replaced these two. Look at the meat on them. This is about maybe a couple months ago, because it was so bad on this side, I went on this side to do it. These, look at that. Yep. So just to show you the difference. So they finna be all looking pretty. The front are good. And now I'm just waiting for them to look at that fork truck. I got my hose rack. Now watch how you grab like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tires at a time with that. So there's one guy in there pushing the tires to the very rear, and then that fork truck goes in and grabs 5 tires at a time. I'm like, wow, I never seen that kind of fork truck. And I used to do fork truck over at Conway before they became XPO or whatever it's called. And then before that, I did fork truck when I was working in the steel mill back in the early 90s. But I just wanted to show y'all the damage I've been putting on these bad boys. But that's what happens when you tear up the road the way I do. I mean, I still could get a little use out of them because they'll still pass DOT, but they won't pass my DOT, my inspection, you know. Even the shop may pass me with these, because I've seen guys who are worse than this. But, you know, weather getting ready to change. We're running into the rainy season, or what I consider our rainy season, and then from there, going to snow. So better to go ahead and do it now. I got good credit with them. You know, we get a credit account pretty much, and they haven't told me what my max is, but I'm sure it's up there. I probably can get $20,000 worth of maintenance and just pay it off over time. Maybe $500 a week as far as on a repayment plan. I got to pay a little interest, but I don't care. You know what I mean? It keeps me good with the company. That's how I look at it. But yeah, she taking a little rust in there. See a little rust there, but it's all good. I scraped it off and painted if I wasn't so lazy. But yeah, I'm gonna get in there in a few minutes and they're gonna get ready to work on this stuff. So I'll bring y'all a little something a little bit later. Peace until then. All right, YouTube, back at you. All done. Took less than an hour. Look at that. Look at that meat, baby. Ooh. Yeah. See, those are Michelins, baby. Look at that meat. One hour it took. Now I'm just pulling up to the mechanic. He said he's gonna try to squeeze me in and look at my AC. And I got an appointment with the glass people in the morning between 8 and 10. They wanted 800. I flinched, got them down to 600. Plus the taxes are included in that, and the old glass disposal. So that's a pretty good deal. Safe Light was about $675 or something like that. So I got it through Gerber. Yeah, he said 800 at first. I flinched almost out of my seat, but just let you look. Your boy got meat now. I can move, baby. Woo! It's going down. It's going down, baby. I'm gonna be tearing up the highway with these new bad boys. You see, this is why you wanna be able to work hard. That way you can afford the best. Because to me, Michelin is the best. Right up there with, I think, Michelin and Bridgestone. But I had Bridgestone before. I ain't really like them as much either. I like Michelin a lot better. So now it's all about working hard and getting what you want and getting the very best. So I got Michelin on the front, Michelin around all the way around the back. Get the AC fixed, get the window fixed, go take my 90-day tomorrow and be back on the road. It's gonna cost me a grip, but I feel good because, see, I got it done. I got good material. Hey, what up now? Guy just waving at me. I don't know. What up, bro? Shit, how would he know me? I'm not from around here. Well, I just guess he just see me and just figure like, oh man, he look cool or whatever. I don't know. But I just wanted to show y'all guys to go in here and holler at my mechanic and see what he's talking about. And hopefully he can get me done today and then I can be on my way. So we'll see. But I'm gonna turn it back on and give you a little bit more once I get to figure out what he's gonna do. If he's gonna take a while, then I'm probably gonna catch the Uber over to the gym or have him drop me off. There's a gym about maybe 6 blocks from here, but it's about 95 degrees, so I'm not gonna walk over there. I'm just have him drop me off. But I'll turn it back on and give you a little bit more once I figure out what he wants to do. All right, until then, peace.